Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video we will fix the HP LaserJet P2035. First, let me show you what is the problem with this printer. As you can see here that the door cartridge cannot be closed properly. When the toner has been removed, it closes properly. Let's take a look inside. What caused it? This metal spring is not in the correct position. The part holding the metal spring may be damaged, and this is what we will fix. So, let's get into it. Remove the paper tray. Using flat screwdriver, open the left side cover. Next, we need to remove this gear assembly, because the metal spring is behind it. Disconnect the arm link. Remove the fuser gears. Disconnect all the wire connection and remove the fan. Unscrew the power switch button and also the solenoid coil. Release the wire harnesses from the guides and retainers. Next, remove these 4 screws. Release the gear assembly. And set aside. Remove the toner drive gear. Finally, we have seen the metal spring. Let's see why it fell. This is the broken part that holds the metal spring. And to fix it, I will put a hole in this area and tie the spring with a cable tie. Insert the cable tie and tie up the metal spring. Just like that. So far so good. Next, return everything that has been removed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.